Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's learn numbers with our clock. Oh no, where our numbers are gone? Let's find them and put in place. Now I use magic. Are you ready, guys? Let's go. It is number 1. Wow! Number 1 appeared shape. Heart number 1. Next number 2. Wow! Here shape pentagon. Pentagon number 2. You see, guys? Number 3. Wow! Flower number 3. Next number 4. 4. Wow! It is circle. Circle number 4. It is number 5. Wow! Here hexagon. Hexagon number 5. Next number 6. Wow! Square number 6. Number 7. Oh, heart number 7. Next number 8. Wow! Pentagon number 8. Next number 9. Wow! Flower number 9. What number is after this? You are right, it is 10. Wow! Circle number 10. Next number 11. You are right, hexagon number 11. Next 12. Wow, square number 12. What is o'clock now? It is 12 o'clock. Yes, you are right, guys. Wow, look, we find all our numbers. Now we sort our magic numbers. Magic numbers. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Next number 4. 5. 6 and 7. 8. 9. Next number 10. You are right, guys. 11 and 12. Wow, guys, we did it! Like and subscribe to my channel.